They are participants in the North Bronx Community Engagement Day Unity Walk, calling for calm.
We're marching for unity because unity is for kindness.
Unity at a time when violence citywide is at an all-time high.
50% of these patients come back within 4 or 5 years with the same injuries. 20% of them don't make it. So it's important that we out here with the community and unifying.
James Dobbins, director of Guns Down Life Hub based out of Lincoln Hospital, goes on to say that the numbers represented here demonstrate that the community cares. For this reason, he wants young people here educated on how to defuse violence to make their community safe.
We can't have a mass shooting or these young kids getting shot and we just go on with our lives like it's normal.
It's very important for our youth to basically be involved in learning the history, not reliving the history, but being part of the history and making it better today than it was yesterday.
Former City Council member Andy King, also a longtime community leader, shared that it's about going beyond just the violence to address the root causes.
So I ask everyone who says they're a leader today, look into yourself and not follow the agendas of what's being pushed on us today, but follow the spiritual realm, follow understanding what that is, to love yourself, find your inner peace, then you can love others to love yourself and love yourself to love others.
You know, stopping violence really starts when they're young. You know, we get the youth in different programs, whether it's football, track, any youth program that's out there, that helps to prevent, violence, and it gives the kids a path.
As we unify our minds and our hearts, we can develop our children, we can develop our community, and we can make our streets a decent and safe place to live. You know, it really starts with us.
Beginning at Gunpost Lanes, they ended their march at Evander Childs High School for more speeches and activities. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Mukoko.